While cure and seal is a common product used in concrete placing and finishing, this chemical application often impedes the grinding process as it relates to creating a profile suitable for coating installation. For this particular project, and with the intent of placing a hard surface, the initial concrete installer machine troweled the slab before spraying a moderate amount of cure and seal. Following these steps is typical, and this specific contractor did his job to perfection. However, for the installer tasked with preparing the concrete to receive a coating, an elevated hardness creates a bit of an obstacle. Normally conducted in a dry environment, diamond grinding is the prevailing method to create a CSP2 profile. And in some situations, traditional grinding will eventually break through the cure and seal barrier and open the concrete. Unfortunately, this requires an excessive amount of time and a substantial investment in diamonds. However, when a floor is exceptionally hard, an extra bit of abrasive bite, in conjunction with utilizing a few creative techniques, can assist in the process. A simple, yet proven solution consists of sprinkling sand over the floor, applying a fine water mist, and immediately grinding the area. Again, it is possible to try a host of various and costly diamonds to complete the work, but an $11 bag of sand and some water proves to be an economic alternative to getting the job done. On behalf of all of us at Buy Manufacturers Direct, thank you for watching. If you'd like to check out more informational videos, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the bell to be notified when we post future videos. If you prefer listening to podcasts, check us out on Spotify, Overcast, Google Podcast, or your favorite listening platform. If you have any interest or questions on the products you've seen today, or other BMD products, please reach out to a Buy Manufacturers Direct sales representative. Finally, if you have a specific industry-related topic you'd like us to explore and discuss, feel free to let us know in the comment section.